Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 2121 Wolter. They keep having us back up. I think we had a guy out here. You can only get like 40 feet in or something. We've been running from the stack down here. I didn't see a clean out front. I believe there is one. There should be one. They all have them out here. But they've been opening it from here in the basement and the stack. We'll go ahead, put our camera in there and see what it looks like and find out what we find. We'll be right back. Alright, so I got the camera in here. Here we are about 38 feet, 37 feet. Said they couldn't get past 40 feet. So I found this. You see right here, there's a riser pipe for a yard trap for a clean out in the yard. I've located and exposed the riser pipe. This is like 4 feet deep out there. So this is what they were having problems with. I believe their cable probably was going up and kinking on top of the cover for the riser pipe there. Definitely located it, so we're going to pull it back and run back out there and see if we can't split the line going out. So yeah, now we expose this riser pipe. I'm going to recommend for them to rise the pipe up a little more and put a PVC cap on there so in the future it doesn't get covered up and lost. It was about 8 inches under dirt. Next is the walkway there. Got a turn here. See gutter winding in at the side there. And the clay pipe here. So here we are at transition. This is where it comes a 4-inch to 6-inch pipe, or see, it's all PVC in here. You got to turn here. There's a Y there. And here we are in cast iron, so there's still some cast iron left down here. But it all looks pretty good condition so far. Okay, here we are at the stack, so we're going to run out there. We'll be right back. Alright, here we are out front. I exposed this buried trap. Dig down a little bit. I had a couple of bricks on top of it. It's right next to the sidewalk here. We're going to go ahead and try to run this camera out and see what it looks like. Be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out here. I was able to get through the trap. We got our camera pushed out to the main MSD's line here. We're about 62 feet. 61.5. Go ahead and pull it back and show you what this line looks like. Filled up on the sides there, nothing bad. See, it's nice and open. A little root growing in there on the side, nothing bad. It all seems to be intact, no breaks or anything like that. We'll build up on the sides of the bell there, bell connection. Got a little dive there, and here we are at the trap. So everything is open. I didn't see any breaks in the line. Just get a bunch of buildup in this trap here. Every once in a while, I just come clean it out. But going from inside, you know, they're only able to run a small cutter. Now that we have this trap exposed, they can run a big cutter, clean that trap out real good. So in the future, you know, when your buildup gets in there, they can clean it out and then keep it draining. Probably recommend this riser pipe to be risen about a foot or so. So that way in the future when they walk up, they put a piece PVC on there with a cap. So that way in the future it doesn't get buried. And when they have problems, we can just walk up and find the clean out and run it out and get it cleaned out the way it needs to be. So, alrighty, that's what you got. Thank you.